key to draw like a pro is to practice like this, make perfect circles. I will show you the difference between good and a bad circle. This is a bad one. A good one is drawn with patience. There you go, a good one. With the properties of circles we can draw anything. Let's draw a man. Start by drawing circles, let all the body parts be circles. Now let's make outlines. Starting with the head and going down. Here you have your character, you can customize him to your limits. I did little bit of adding. In the next episode we will learn charcoal sketching. Bye and I will see you in next video.